my channel, Keyword Tura. For the Lord is good, His mercy everlasting, and His truth endureth to all generations. Sapagkat ang Panginoon ay mabuti, ang kanyang kagandahang loob ay magpakailanman, at ang kanyang pagtatapat ay sa lahat ng salitlahing lahi. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Keyword Tura.